Main Street, Sturgis, finally. I've ridden down Main Street a few times with on my motorcycle, but this is my first time being on Main Street on foot. I'm just gonna walk around just a little while and just take in the sights for a little while, and so here we go. Let's go walk around Main Street. It smells good. come up there, and they get a big group of people there for the daily picture at noon. So that's why people are gathering there. And of course, here's Junction Avenue. They're across now. Call this the quiet end of Main Street. At least that's what it's always seemed like to me in the past. It was quieter than the rest of the stretch. Picture, the Main Street photo.
Good morning, Sturgis. Welcome to the 85th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. All right, we're about a minute away from that noon photo. Again, Sturgis Photo and Gift Shop located at the corner of 2nd and Main. Okay, we're good. So, Sturgis Photo and Gift Shop at the corner of 2nd and Main is where you can purchase this photo after 1 o'clock. You can do it one of two ways, take it with you, or you can purchase it, they'll send it to your house. So, we're getting ready for this photo here. Everyone needs to be behind the white line. If you're in front of the white line, you're probably going to get cut off. So, we got a good crowd here. Everyone on the sidewalk, it doesn't cost a thing. Come on in, get in the photo. Doesn't cost you anything. Hopefully you're not on the wall in the post office and somebody recognizes you and then you're going to jail, but that's on you. Folks, going off the sidewalk, come on. Hey, we got one more bike coming through, guys. Let that bike through and then shut it down. He's halfway through and it's going to take up people spots. All right, the tower sponsor today is the Sturgis Lions Club. They're a great local organization that do a lot of good for a lot of people. For $5, you can come up in this tower and you can take an image of Main Street here. Do it with a cell phone, do it with a camera, however you want to do it. It's a fantastic picture and something to have. So today, the sponsors of the day are Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys. If you go down, go Russ Brown. We got Joe from Russ Brown going to come up here and say a couple of things real quick.
Thank you. Sturgis, how's it going? Oh, come on, it's the 85th. How you guys doing today? Hey, we're super excited to be out here again. We've been celebrating 50 years of supporting this community. We are the original attorneys that ride. I'd like to personally invite everybody. Are we on or are we off? We're good. All right, I'd like to... Sign up for our riders, helping riders, real quick. Remember, you go down, all goes down.
All right, are you guys ready finally for this photo? Those of you squatting down, you guys in front of the line, I'm sorry, but unfortunately, you're gonna get cut out of the photo. You gotta be behind that white line. Gotta be behind the white line, because when we crop the image for the photo, you end up being cut off of it. I'm sorry about that. There's only so wide we can go. Okay. All right, are you ready? All right, no, dude, I need you to get down because you're blocking people behind you. Please, no signs, because that blocks people's faces. If you got a sign, you want to hold it up, no higher than chest level, okay? Because it blocks people behind you. Sir, you have no shirt on. We're going to need some pasties for this photo. I'm sorry about that. Okay, we're counting down now for this first photo. We're going to take two different ones. 3, 2, 1. All right, awesome. Hey, on this second one here, is there a chance that we could get a smile? You guys look like you'd rather be home today. We'd rather be home. We're in damn Sturgis, people. Come on now. Let's see a smile on your face. All right, we're going to do this one here. Let's try and keep the hands down. That blocks people as well. So we're going to count down. Sir, you're going to not be in the photo. You got to be behind that white line. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, we're going to count it down now. Everybody's going to smile because we are so happy to be here. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. What a great crowd. Hey, remember, Sturgis Photo Gift Shop located 2nd and Main. We will see you there for that noon photo after 1 o'clock. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm finished walking around Main Street now. I'm gonna head back to camp and take it easy for the rest of the day because the next 2 nights are gonna be late nights. So I'm gonna have today to be a earlier night where I can kind of just relax at camp because the next 2 nights are gonna be late. So, anyways, I think I'll have one more video clip tonight when I get back. Yeah, tonight at camp. Yeah, then it's quieter to talk, so talk to you later. Alright, well, here I am back at camp in my tent and all washed up and ready for bed, so I'm really glad I'm able to. Had a really fun day today, a good day in walking Main Street, Sturgis, but tomorrow's going to be a long day, a late day. Going to be going to a concert tomorrow night. The next 2 nights are going to be late days, so that's why I wanted to kind of get, kind of have an off night tonight, kind of go to bed a little earlier than I will be. But anyways, anything else to say? I don't think so. Don't think so. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.